Hello, kids! Welcome back to Learning with Little School. Summer is here. Let's play with Tommy and Lily and see what they do in summer.
Hi, I'm Tommy.
And I'm Lily. What do we do in summer, Tommy?
Let's show them, come on.
We go to the beach in summer.
I like to make sandcastles. Look, what an incredible castle. I am King Tommy.
And I am Queen Lily.
King Tommy and Queen Lily.
I like to play with my ball on the sand.
It is very funny.
And I like to do snorkel with my mask. There are so many fish in the water.
Wow, look, it is an octopus.
And look over there, it's a clownfish.
In summer, we also go to the swimming pool. Splash, splash, I love the swimming pool.
Let's swim like fish.
Picnic time, we go picnic on summer. I'm hungry!
I love eating in the countryside. Yummy, yummy.
We travel in summer, we visit new cities and discover amazing places.
We visit museums.
Zoos.
Amusement parks. And try new food. It is delicious.
Let's recap all the words we have learned today. Beach.
Sandcastle.
Ball.
Swimming pool.
Picnic.
Snorkel.
Clownfish.
Octopus.
Museum.
Amusement park.
Zoo.
What do you do in summer? See you next time, Learning with Little School. Bye-bye, friends. Have a happy summer.